These buttons on the car, don't press them randomly, otherwise it's very dangerous. Many people have been driving for more than 10 years, but they don't even know how to use the air conditioning button on the car. Today, I will tell you the correct way to use the air conditioning button. Driving in the rain, we turn on the air conditioning, turn on the external circulation, then adjust the blowing mode to glass blowing. This way the glass will never fog up again. Second, driving in the summer, we turn on the air conditioning, turn on the internal circulation. This way the cooling effect is particularly good. Third, driving in the winter, we turn off the air conditioning, turn on the external circulation. This way the car glass will not frost, and it is particularly fuel efficient. Fourth, when there is a traffic jam,